From a massive surge in Dogecoin's trading volume and a bullish formation for its price to all the latest data and updates, some important things are happening right now. So let's talk about it. So first of all, we are now seeing that there is some positive momentum in the overall crypto market. We can see here that Bitcoin is trading in the green, Ethereum is showing some momentum, and other cryptos have also started to trend. But the most important thing to note here is that Dogecoin has again outperformed other cryptos as it has surged by about 5% during the last 24 hours. So the overall crypto market is looking very positive right now, and we can expect more gains from here. And now, let's come to this report, which is very important for every crypto holder. So the co-founder of leading crypto analytics firm Glassnode has revealed that crypto investors are starting to take more risk by moving capital into altcoins. Yana Lemon said that while Bitcoin received the bulk of capital inflows last week, some altcoins are also getting attention. Lemon appears to be highlighting the metric that looks at Bitcoin's returns minus altcoins' returns. The metric is currently in a sharp downturn, indicating that altcoins are gaining ground. According to the Glassnode executive, the institutional demand for Bitcoin could signal the start of capital rotation into altcoins. So this is very bullish news as investors are now investing in altcoins. And now, let's come to Dogecoin and all the latest data and updates for it. So we know that Elon Musk has again made it to the headlines as he has bought a 9.2% stake in Twitter. And he is now the biggest stakeholder in the social media giant. And right after this news, Dogecoin's 24 trading volume has jumped by 200% in reaction to this news. Moreover, its price is also gaining momentum as it is now trading above the 15 cents price range. Now the important thing to note here is that everyone knows how much Elon advocates for Dogecoin. He never forgets to mention Doge anywhere. Wherever he heads, he tries to involve Dogecoin in it. Even Tesla started accepting the coin for their products and services like Supercharger Station. He has also dropped some hints about Starlink accepting Dogecoin in the future. And now as he has become the biggest shareholder on Twitter, crypto enthusiasts believe that now that day is not far when this social media giant will also integrate Dogecoin with it. Meanwhile, Dogecoin prices also saw a surge of over 5% since the news broke out. The coin's 24-hour volume saw a jump of more than 200%. And another positive thing about Dogecoin and its price is that its profitability rate is increasing. We can see here that as per Into the Block data, the profitability of Dogecoin has increased to 63% after dropping to as low as 54% earlier in March. We know that Dogecoin's price jumped by nearly 5% following reports of the Tesla CEO owning a 9.2% stake in Twitter. The best part is that Doge is outperforming the top 20 coins in gains. Dogecoin is now cementing gains as its price rebounded from lows of 13 cents on March 31. It is now trading above the 15 cents levels, and it appears that Doge is going to rally from here. And now as Doge has hit the 15 cents level, let's see what we can expect from it. So we know that Doge was on a long-term downslide for over 4 months. This bearish phase saw a down-channel trajectory on its daily chart. Assuming there is a strong rejection of higher prices at the convergence point of long-term trendline resistances, Doge could see a near-term setback before continuing the bullish rally. Any close below the 14 cents zone could lead to a test of the 13 cents support level before a buying resurgence. However, even if Doge faces this retracement, it is highly likely that it will bounce back from there. Coming to its daily chart, we can see here that since its October highs, Doge lost the majority of its value as it plunged towards its 10-month low on 24 February. We can see here that during this fall, Doge also witnessed a 4-month-long descending channel. The downfall led Dogecoin to lose the crucial 14 cents mark long-term liquidity range, one that offered the highest liquidity in the last 3 months. The latest recovery saw a pattern breakout after Doge reversed from its long-term 11 cents support level. As a result, the price jumped to its 20 and 50 exponential moving averages and reclaimed the lost long-term liquidity range. We should note here that the long-term liquidity range would be an important area to affirm the strength of the current rally for Doge. With the confluence of resistances created at the current level, a pullback from here would find a test near the 14 cents zone. But with the 20 EMA undertaking a bullish crossover, the bulls affirmed their increasing edge in the days to come. Meanwhile, we can see here on this chart that since the past week, Dogecoin's price saw higher peaks while the RSI maintained its bullish momentum to match its weekly high. This reading revealed a strong bullish divergence on its daily chart. Further, the CMF marked lower highs during this time frame, depicting a bullish divergence with Dogecoin's price. So a possible rally could be lurking around the corner for Doge. All in all, considering the readings on the RSI and CMF, a strong rally towards the 18 cents zone is plausible. And with the near-term EMA jumping above the 50 EMA, the bulls would likely continue their rally in the days to come. Also, Dogecoin shares a whopping 96% 30-day correlation with Bitcoin, so keeping an eye on Bitcoin's movement would complement these technical factors. And with that being said, let's come to Bitcoin for a minute. So Bitcoin has shown some positive momentum as it is now trading near the 47K price level. While it is still facing strong resistance from the 48K region, its technicals are revealing a bullish breakout for it. From its 20-day simple moving average to its 50-day exponential moving average, Bitcoin is now trading above its critical moving averages. Meanwhile, its MACD level is also giving some bullish signals, so this means that Bitcoin still has some gas left and it can move to the upside from here. And now, let's see what analysts have to say about Bitcoin's current price action. So crypto analyst Matthew Hyland posted the following chart outlining the major support and resistance levels for Bitcoin in its current price range. Hyland said Bitcoin is trying to flip previous resistance into new support. And as per crypto analyst Crypto Bull God, the history of the Bitcoin price action is now looking relative to its 125-day simple moving average. He said that we can see how important this key level is. Once broken below and then broken back above, we have appreciated massively in price. Moving on, we are now seeing that there are signs of heavy accumulation of Bitcoin, and it appears that this dip to the 45 and 46K range is short-lived. As per data from on-chain analysis firm Glassnode, shrimp and whales are the most aggressive accumulators of late. On the whale side, Glassnode pointed to large public buyers such as the Luna Foundation Guard and MicroStrategy, which have renewed their emphasis on Bitcoin as pristine collateral. They have also commenced serious accumulation over the last 2 weeks. Glassnode said that in general, the market appears to be viewing Bitcoin and its role in the future economy with a somewhat renewed optimism. And this is very bullish for Bitcoin, as it is now highly likely that a massive rally is on cards for it. On the other hand, the current trend of the Bitcoin realized cap has formed a pattern that has historically been a bullish signal for its price. As pointed out by an analyst in a CryptoQuant post, the Bitcoin realized cap 30-day rate of change has just turned positive in value. We can see here that the Bitcoin realized cap seems to have followed a pattern over the past few years. It looks like whenever the indicator has assumed negative values, the price of Bitcoin has observed a bearish trend. On the contrary, positive values have historically marked an uptrend for Bitcoin. And recently, the realized cap seems to have shifted into such values again. So if the pattern from the last few years follows this time as well, then the trend right now may point towards a bullish outcome for Bitcoin. Meanwhile, crypto analyst Nicholas Merton is saying that Bitcoin will hit new all-time highs sooner than most traders think. Merton believes that Bitcoin will retest 65K much faster than most anticipate, with underlying fundamental developments fueling the move. He is saying that it just takes a little more Bitcoin being moved with the market, slightly more confident price action than what we had back a couple of months ago in the first quarter of 2022. And a good catalyst for a couple of institutional investors to buy some positions, even retail traders, and boom, you start seeing prices get back up to 65K really quick. And now, let's come to Ethereum for a minute. So Ethereum has remained stable above the 3.5K level. As of now, its price is rising and eyeing an upside break above the 3.6K resistance zone. It seems like a double bottom pattern was formed near 3.4K and the price started a fresh increase. There was a move above the 3.5K level and the 100 hourly simple moving average. The next major resistance is near the 3.6K level. If either price clears this resistance zone, it could start a major increase. So things are now looking positive for ETH, and we can expect more gains from it in the coming days. And now coming back to Dogecoin, we have just seen that it is outperforming other cryptos. Moreover, its technicals are looking very positive and its price is making some bullish formations. So we can expect Doge to gain more momentum from here. In any case, what are your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comments section below.